Carne and Jocon. Beef and tomato and pepper sauce. A main dish from Guatemala. You will
Serve
need 15
6.
ingredients. Step 1. Heat oil in heavy saucepan or casserole and sauté onion, garlicand, peppers until the onion is soft. Add the meat and the other ingredients except the tortilla. The liquid should barely cover the meat. Add a little more stock if necessary. Cover and simmer gently until the beef is tender, about 2 hours. If using tortillas, soak in cold water and crumble like breadcrumbs. Add to the casserole and simmer uncovered until the sauce is thickened. Step 3. If using white flour or cornmeal, mix with a little cold water and stir into the stew, cooking just until the sauce is thickened. Serve stew on a bed of rice. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.